Have you ever wondered what cloud storage really is? In this video, we'll break down the essentials of cloud storage. We'll compare popular options to help you find the best one for your needs, whether you're rocking an iPhone, a Pixel, or something else entirely. Let's get started. First, what is cloud storage? It's a way to store your files on remote servers that you access via the internet. Think of it like this. Instead of stuffing all your files in a backpack, you're putting them in a super secure warehouse that you can access from anywhere with an internet connection. Now, you might be thinking, but what about my hard drive? Those are great, but cloud storage offers a whole other level of convenience and security. With cloud storage, your files are stored in massive data centers around the world maintained by companies like Google, Apple, and Microsoft. These data centers are like the Fort Knox of data with top-notch security measures to keep your files safe. Plus, many services offer encryption, which is like putting your files in a secret code that only you have the key to unlock. This means no more panicking when your laptop takes a dive or your phone decides to go for an unexpected swim. Your files are safe and sound in the cloud, ready to be downloaded to a new device in a snap. It's like having a digital safety net for all your important documents, photos, and videos. Cloud storage services are designed to be user-friendly, with simple drag-and-drop interfaces and intuitive apps. We're talking about uploading a massive video file while you're sipping your coffee, sharing a folder of vacation pics with family in seconds, and accessing work documents from your phone without breaking a sweat. It's all about making your digital life easier and more efficient. Let's dive deeper into why you should seriously consider hopping on the cloud storage train. It's not just about jumping on a tech trend, it's about real, tangible benefits that can transform how you interact with your digital stuff. First up, convenience. Remember the days of emailing files to yourself or carrying around USB drives like they were precious artifacts? Yeah, those days are long gone. Cloud storage is all about access, anytime, anywhere. Whether you're at your desk, on the couch, or halfway across the world, your files are just a few clicks away. Need to edit a presentation on the go? No problem. Want to share a funny video with a friend who lives miles away? Done. Cloud storage breaks down geographical barriers and makes collaborating on projects a breeze. Second, backup. We've all been there. That sinking feeling when your hard drive crashes, your phone takes an unexpected dip in the pool, or your laptop decides to take an early retirement. But with cloud storage, those fears can become a thing of the past. Think of it as an insurance policy for your digital life. By automatically backing up your important files to the cloud, you're creating a safety net that protects you from the unexpected. So, even if disaster strikes, you can rest easy knowing that your precious photos, videos, and documents are safe and sound. And finally, collaboration. In today's interconnected world, sharing is caring. With cloud storage, you can share files and folders with anyone, set permissions to control who can view and edit, and even work on documents simultaneously in real time. Alright, so we've established that cloud storage is awesome, but with so many options out there, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. So, let's break down 4 of the most popular cloud storage services: Google Drive, iCloud, OneDrive, and Dropbox, and see how they stack up against each other. First up, we've got Google Drive, the powerhouse from, you guessed it, Google. If you're deep in the Google ecosystem using Gmail, Android, and all those other handy Google apps, then Google Drive is a natural fit. It integrates seamlessly with all things Google, making it super easy to save email attachments, collaborate on docs, sheets, and slides, and access your files from any device. Next, we've got iCloud, Apple's answer to cloud storage. Now, if you're rocking an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, then iCloud is pretty much a no-brainer. It's built right into all your Apple devices, making it incredibly easy to back up your photos, videos, notes, and other important files. Plus, it plays nicely with Apple's suite of apps like Pages, Numbers, and Keynote. Then we've got OneDrive, Microsoft's offering in the cloud storage arena. If you're a Windows user or heavily reliant on Microsoft Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, then OneDrive is definitely worth considering. It offers tight integration with Windows 10 and Office 365, making it a breeze to manage your files and collaborate on documents. And last but not least, we've got Dropbox, the OG of cloud storage. So, we've explored the world of cloud storage, looked at the benefits, and compared some of the top contenders. But now comes the big question. How do you choose the right cloud storage service for your specific needs? Well, it's all about figuring out your priorities and finding a service that aligns with your digital lifestyle. It's like choosing a smartphone. You want one that fits your budget, your usage habits, and your overall preferences. First, think about the ecosystem you're already invested in. Are you an Apple diehard, living and breathing in the Apple ecosystem? iCloud might be your best bet. Are you all about that Google life using Gmail, Android, and all those other Google goodies? Google Drive is probably your jam. Do you live and breathe Microsoft, rocking Windows and Office 365? OneDrive might be the perfect fit. And if you're platform agnostic using a mix of devices, Dropbox could be your ideal match. Next, consider your storage needs. Are you a digital pack rat who saves everything? You'll want a service with generous storage options or the ability to easily upgrade your plan. Are you more of a minimalist, only storing essential files? A smaller free plan or a service with a focus on file sharing might suffice. Then, think about the features that matter most to you. Is collaboration a top priority? Look for a service with robust file sharing and real-time collaboration tools. Is security your biggest concern? Choose a service with strong encryption and two-factor authentication. Do you need automatic device backup? Make sure the service you choose offers that feature. And of course, don't forget about price. Compare pricing across different services and find one that fits your budget and offers the features you need. And there you have it, a clear guide to cloud storage and which service might be best for you. Which one do you use? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips and reviews from Tech-splained by Chow Fun. Thanks for watching and see you next time.